Hi, pros. Today's topic is, can AI unlock Africa's true potential? Africa stands at a turning point, a moment where technology could redefine its future. Artificial intelligence isn't just about robots or coding. It's about solving real problems that millions face every day. From predicting droughts to improving crop yields to expanding access to education and healthcare, AI offers Africa the tools to leap ahead instead of just playing catch up. This isn't a story about machines replacing people. It's about empowering people with smarter tools to create a stronger, more connected, self-sustaining continent. I guess we've answered the question, and it isn't whether Africa needs AI. It's how quickly we can make it a reality.
If you're flying solo, no worries. We've got your back. You are never alone on this journey. Otherwise, let's turn this into a family game night so we can build confidence, spark curiosity, and have fun. Ready? Okay, let's go.
True or false? AI can help combat food insecurity in Africa and resolve issues decades in the making. That is true. AI helps combat food insecurity by optimizing agriculture. Satellite and drone imaging can map soil conditions, crop health, and pest infestations. True or false? AI can be viewed as a tool for economic growth and also as a risk to manage. That's true. AI can drive economic growth by increasing productivity, creating new markets, and improving efficiency across industries. At the same time, it poses risk. True or false? AI cannot help optimize water usage for farming. That is false. AI optimizes water usage by monitoring resources and reducing waste. True or false? AI can assist in predicting weather patterns for farmers. That's true. AI can analyze vast amounts of climate and satellite data to identify trends and predict weather patterns with greater accuracy than traditional methods. True or false? AI eliminates the need for skilled workers in Africa. That is false. AI complements skilled workers by automating repetitive tasks and allowing the reconsideration of development strategies. True or false? AI offers little benefit in addressing Africa's energy challenges as electricity production depends mainly on physical infrastructure. That's false. AI helps optimize energy grids, predict demand, and manage renewable sources like solar and wind, making existing infrastructure more efficient. True or false? AI can improve education access in remote areas. That's true, of course. AI enhances education through e-learning platforms and many more. Africa no longer will need to rely on static, unbalanced learning paradigms. True or false? AI-powered tools can enhance disease detection in Africa. AI-powered tools have the potential to significantly enhance disease detection by addressing gaps in healthcare infrastructure, diagnostic capacity, and access to specialists. True or false? AI cannot help reduce unemployment in Africa. That is mostly false. AI generates employment opportunities by driving the growth of new industries. True or false? AI has no role in boosting Africa's economic growth. That's false. AI boosts economic growth by increasing efficiency in various sectors. Combined with the current spirit and unity of African people, the country can reimagine Africa's economy. True or false? AI can help monitor wildlife to combat poaching. That's true. AI monitors wildlife to combat poaching and protect biodiversity. True or false? AI can support disaster response in Africa. That's true. AI aids disaster response by predicting and managing natural calamities. True or false? AI cannot assist in improving Africa's transport systems. Of course, that is false. AI can play a powerful role in addressing Africa's urban planning challenges by providing data-driven insights, predictive models, and efficient management tools. True or false? AI is irrelevant to solving urban planning issues in Africa. Again, of course, that's false. AI can help Africa with urban planning by giving city leaders better tools to manage rapid growth. True or false? AI can help bridge the digital divide in Africa. That is so true. AI bridges the digital divide by breaking down barriers of language and literacy. Second, AI can make technology more affordable and accessible. AI can enhance financial inclusion for African communities. That is true. AI enables financial inclusion through digital banking solutions, and of course, many more. True or false? AI cannot help with fraud detection in Africa because financial scams are too complex for algorithms to recognize. Of course, that is false. AI systems excel at spotting unusual patterns in banking and mobile money transactions, helping to catch fraud faster than humans. AI has no role in improving supply chains in Africa, since bottlenecks are mostly caused by poor roads and ports. That is false. AI helps track shipments, predict demand, and optimize routes, improving supply chain reliability despite infrastructure challenges. True or false? AI can support youth entrepreneurship in Africa. That's true. AI can support entrepreneurship in Africa by lowering barriers to entry. True or false? AI can improve access to real-time market data in Africa. AI-powered platforms can aggregate information from multiple sources, such as markets, satellites, mobile transactions, and social media, and process it instantly to provide accurate insights. True or false? AI cannot help reduce corruption in Africa. That's false. It has the potential to reduce corruption by analyzing government transactions. Secondly, AI can help process and reduce human discretion. True or false? It's important that Africans learn AI and how to apply it. That is so true. It is important that Africans learn AI and apply AI skills to create jobs and solve local problems. Pros, thanks so much for hanging out with us today. We'll see you at the next quiz.
Congratulations, you made it to the end. Here's to you for taking the quiz and stepping into the future with AI. Here's to your willingness to have a new perspective, a new prospective, to experience new possibilities. Let's keep outpacing the challenges ahead. And if you've learned anything new, please hit the like button, subscribe and grow with us, and turn on notifications so that you never miss a way to stay ahead. Drop a comment. Let us know what we're doing right and maybe what we're doing not so right. Your comments and your opinions matter. And if you're enjoying the journey, follow along for even more ways to sharpen your edge. Let's push forward together, pros. I'll see you next time. All right, baby. AI.